Alright, one recording before I stop for the night. I managed to get the effect running on a minor scale. I'll be showing, but it's quite nice. So it was first attempt with the Cooler Catcher board. So as you can see, we're having our very old grenade back on the bench on the side of the lab. The blue grenade, the very first grenade with the inductor on top of it, which is interconnected with the 3 turns only. The 28 turns is disconnected, so no 28 turns, so only 3 turns with a series resistance cap on the inductor, and on the output we have a 40-watt bulb and connected with in series with 2 ground caps, 0.33 microfarads. Okay, so what I also want to show is and also for the doubters that there are, I heard people talking about, yeah, the amp meter might be faulty, or it's not giving accurate measurement. Of course, I'll be placing a 0 to 5 amp scale one, but I assure you the 0 to 20 here works very fine. So what I'll do is I'll be shorting the output. I'll do many series of tests at the same time watching at the amp meter, so just bear with me, and we'll see what happens. Alright, primary is disconnected, as you can see, so it will not start with catcher, and push pull is also off. So I'm about starting the system. Okay, system is on. Now starting with push pull one more time just for the show. There's pure induction happening coming out the output. Catcher has his emitter right here going straight to the ground. Ground is this wire here, which goes down here as a ground wire, which is connected to the first layer. Okay, amp readings. Yeah, that's the amp reading right now, and this is where we need that very small scale amp meter to see exactly in milliamps. No problem. Right now connecting catcher, so to have an amplification effect and synchronization, connecting it now. There we go, success. Alright, let me see. Arcs are very, very long afterwards when the oscillations start to happen. Quick demo. About 1 centimeter. Quite long, huh? So in sync and everything, it's pulling about 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. Now what I want to show is that at the output area, right behind the bulb, I have these 2 leads, the green and the black, which come here. I have place them right here for the reason that I'm gonna be shorting them, and while shorting them we're gonna be seeing what happens to the amp meter, if in fact it draws more or does nothing or draws less. Alright, so wait, let me make this a bit more easier for myself. Okay, watch carefully. Can't short them too long because it will burn out the wires. Very thin. As you can see, nothing happens to the amp meter. It stays till where it shows. Now, look what happens when I try to just, for fun, short out these two. As you can see, it already shorts out the bulb, but not entirely. So, take a look. I'll be shorting the 28 turn wires straight from the yoke. Look at the amp meter. Look. Oh. That's nasty. Whoops. Something fell down. Ground wire. Oh man. Look at that. It's shooting at the ground wire. Nasty. Connect the ground back to the lead, and there we go. We have lights. Let me adjust the camera. There we go. So as you can see, touching the catcher, see, it interferes with the output significantly. So as you can see, let me go back, shorting the output leads. I won't hold it too long. That shows you already that the amp meter is working properly. So there you go. That's that short. But it's beautiful to see it. Like if I should short, let's say over the cap. Let me see if I can do this. If I short it, it decreases amps. Interesting. Wow. That's it, guys. I still have to do some other experiments, which I'm not ready yet with it, but I have to piece it back. Oh, that burns. Oh, damn. Woof. Yeah, that's beautiful. Alright. Taking off catcher from primary. There we go. Alright, guys. Let me know. See, there's a lot of questions yet. Just saw that post on the forum about the grenades windings. Well, there's a lot of types. Not sure about that one, which at the very end, the sixth layer turns out to be going on the opposite side of the fifth. Oh well. Layers